Slow down, slow down. Okay, there you go. You don't want to hit a diff on these things or anything, okay?
Where am I going? What are we...
You're perfect. You're just perfect. Follow that line right there. Yeah, slow. Perfect. More passenger. Thank you. Okay. More passenger. There you go. Come up on this a little. There you go. Well, I'd rather you there than there. There you go. Good job. You know, a lot of old mines down there. Yeah. I don't know. Give me a little passenger. Thank you.
I thought that was a bird.
That little rock standing there. Yoo, good job. Oh, fun. Look at this. All right, so, yeah, straddle that way. There you go. Straddle that big crack there. Perfect. And then you're going to go into that little crack, so don't go fast into over the tires. Your driver's going to go in about now. Slow. There you go. And then drop it back in. Yeah, boom. Very good. What is that? Are you?
It's a Porsche.
Is it a Porsche or just like
it's just an old car, but it looks like a Porsche. It's a Porsche, right?
No, what is
Is it
that?
a Porsche?
No, it's a.
Fancy little car. The back looks like a Porsche. But I guess it's not. Is it a Lexus? Is it a Mazda?
It's like a Mazda. And somebody's put some bigger tires on it, like they kind of rallied it or something.
That's funny.
That's weird. Falls. What falls? There's falls here too. Well, we can go that way. Is there like a Mazda with big tires on it? Oh, look at those beautiful falls. You got it done?
Yeah. Go over this. My body hurts a little bit.